Hi guys, I'm getting this Kaspersky. There's something weird here. I actually changed malware domain list, sort. And look at that. This is one of the oldest malware sumps ever from 2009, and it's still active. Look at that. Gonna paste the link in. And look at that, it's still active. I'm not gonna test it because it's not zero day. So as I said, I'm testing Kaspersky. It's updating right now. The last test I did came out too long and I had problems uploading, so I want this to be a quick test. I will use, let me just sort the thing here. Oops, wrong pattern. Malware domain list and Zeus tracker, Zeus boot tracker. Got lots of stuff in here, as well as the malware domain list. And I got a new tab which I'll test with. Oh, I accidentally opened up media player. Just gonna close it. The update is at 91%. Settings are all default. Yep. We're 97%, 98%. Cloud protection is connected, it's online, so we're in the clouds. And yep, my mic is turned on. Okay, I'm just waiting for Kaspersky to finish updating. I'll just post the video and we're back. Okay, here's something weird. The update was done. It has not been updated for a long time, so I guess it was an update for the program. So I'll have to. Let's see. Or there might be a small update here, just listing the date or something. I'll just run this a second time, see what happens. Yeah. And I'm gonna use as much links as possible. Got yeah, it's fairly quick. Gonna switch to full screen mode for my virtual machine. There we go. We are 47%. I'm gonna get Process Explorer so I can have a more accurate view than Task Manager. Okay. Close that. Get Process Explorer here. While updating, not idle but updating, Kaspersky's memory usage is a bit high, but the CPU usage is not long. We got another process here. We get a lot of memory usage, but that's just while updating. I'm gonna pause and come back. 1 second. Okay, Kaspersky is now up to date, so we can start testing. And its memory usage is quite high for some reason. I don't know why it's that high. Last time I installed it was not that high. Oh no, it dropped. It's about 40 megs. The CPU usage is very low. Near my trial ends in 29 days. So let's start testing. I'll begin with malware domain list. Let's try that Trojan against Kaspersky. and it was blocked. And let's try, this is the same thing. Got a lot of all these the same thing. Let's try that Gozy Trojan. And it was blocked. Let's try that Renus Trojan. It was blocked. Let's try that Trojan. It was blocked. Let's try that fake antivirus. Let's run, and Kaspersky detected it and has denied it. Let's try that Trojan. It has blocked it. And it just blocked that one as well. And let's try that Trojan's and a knife frame leading to an exploit. Okay, let's download that file. It's probably, yep, malware. Gives me an executable. And Kaspersky detected a Trojan program and has denied it. That's the same thing we downloaded before. Okay, they're unprocessed objects. Let's just process them really quick. Fix that. Delete it. Okay, there we go. So let's try that fake antivirus. That's from before. And we got that info.exe. I'm gonna run it. Kaspersky immediately went in and just blocked it. Let's try that one. Renus Trojan again. Hold on, let me just go to my home page here. And Kaspersky blocked that as well. It's very good. Let's get that fake AV here. It seems to be dead. Let's get a spy eye Trojan. It has been blocked. And let's try that one. It's a compromised site. And Kaspersky detected it. Let's try if these are pretty much the same. Kaspersky detected it. Blocked it, of course. Let's try those two executables. First one, detected by Kaspersky. And second one, that's dead. Let's now go to, actually use the second page as well of malware domain list. Let's try that one here. That's dead. Let's try that one. Doesn't seem to do anything. That as well. So far the computer is clean. It's kept clean by Kaspersky. Let's try that Yorick Trojan. Kaspersky detected it. That Trojan. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Why is my protection status red? Oh, I need to reboot. Oh, well, later. Just gonna copy that and go stupid thing here. There we go. I'll get that fake AV here. Nope, doesn't work. And has been blocked. And that fake scanner page not found. Another fake scanner page. Don't think it'll work. I'll leave it for a second to do its thing. Nope. This is important with secure devices. Not so obviously a fake antivirus. Okay. Let's say find program online. Yeah. And Kaspersky blocked it with heuristics. And that redirects to another fake antivirus. It's the same thing. vclean.exe. Kaspersky got it and denied it. And let's sync it. Let's try that one. linuxzona.com. And Kaspersky blocked the other one, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm just gonna redo that URL because I had that wrong there. There we go. Let's try that one, the one that I was trying to do before. Doesn't seem to work. Let's try that Zeus Trojan. That Zeus Trojan and has been suspended by the hoster. Fake PayPal installs malware. Account suspended. Got a Zeus Trojan there. Run that. Kaspersky got it. Locked it. So let's do this fake AV. And go the next one. Okay, here's the executable. Bot.exe. I hope it works, but it doesn't seem to. So let's try that fake antivirus. Kaspersky blocked it. It identifies it as a malicious link. Okay, pretty good. B.exe. Let's try that one. So far, Kaspersky is doing a great job of keeping the computer clean. And yeah, let's switch over to ZStracker. Let's download the first one, run it, and don't see it running, and I don't see anything from Kaspersky yet. Don't see anything so far. Run it. And they don't seem to run, but I don't know the reason. Let's save it this time. Weird. Something doesn't let me save it. Might be Kaspersky, but I don't know why it's not giving me any alerts. Let's try this one. Run it. And still it doesn't run, but shouldn't Kaspersky have notified me? I don't know. But still something doesn't let it run. I'm gonna switch over to malcode. But you got to be careful when you're there, because there are lots of false positives. Let's try that one. Leak test.exe. That's very funny. Run it. Hello, this is a demo file and it's running. That leak test went away, but I don't know what it did to the system. I'm not sure about that demo file thing, what it meant. Let's try that one. No, nothing happens. Let's try that one. There we go, run that. And Kaspersky is giving me an alert. He has denied it. Let's try that one. Oh. Doesn't seem to work, and these are all from the same domain. Let's try that one. There we go. Denied it. Let's try that one. Blocked again. Let's try that one. Got a file here, run that. And I see an alert from Kaspersky. I have no idea what it's asking me for. Let's say, yeah. Okay. Great. Now, whether is it generating anymore? Now, whether this is a real threat or a prank, I'm not sure. I'm just wondering what is it saying. It's instead of curiosity. Host. Flash player. Let's see what that is. Oh, it wants flash player. Great. Are you bored? No? Yeah, it looks like a prank to me, or like something fun to do. Not more much of a threat, but we'll see afterwards. That's why you have to be careful when you're on malcode. And then the other thing might be just the same. Weird. Doesn't do anything. Okay. Doesn't download. Fire installer. Let me just close that. And there we go, file again, run that. Now, this application appeared more than a month ago, which is more than 30 days. It doesn't have a digital signature, and less than 10 participants of the KSN have used it or trusted. It's suspicious. Danger rate 61. So what I would do, what a user would do is block it. So it's gone. Can't do anything now that it's blocked by Kaspersky. Bam, gone. Another one. Let's run it. And let's run that one. And let's try that cold tape thingy. I think it's a potentially unwanted program. I'm actually not going to do it because you can't say it's good, you can't say it's bad. It depends, like a hack tool. So I'm gonna leave it alone for now. So Kaspersky found that thing that was downloading there, and it has blocked it for good. And so I get another thing here. Kaspersky found the second thing as well that was downloading. We got that webcam thingy downloading on that tappy thingy here. And let's run that. Let's check Process Explorer. They seem like they're running. Okay, so let's click the run button. And give it administrator privileges. Webcam spy. Yeah. That I would call it a potentially unwanted program like as before. Yeah, I'm not sure if it should be classified as malicious. It's a legal program. It's a legal program that can be used for bad reasons, but I can't say it's bad having it on your system. What's that? Feed tapping. It's from the same company, I guess. I don't know what the hell this is, but it's an ActiveX. I don't know what it does. Cool link, VP samples. Seems like an ActiveX, yeah. That's why you gotta be careful when you're in malcode. Yeah, it has lots of mixed stuff, really. Gonna go to malwares.pl. Okay. Gonna download this folder with the latest malware. Right, they have here, it's from yesterday. Gonna disable Kaspersky's protection while I do that. To make my life a bit easier. It's just for now. And I'm gonna see the detection on this folder I'm gonna be left with. So yeah, I'll post the video, be right back. when I made a folder. Oh, okay, this is the folder I was left with. It contains 111 items. And I'm gonna see how Kaspersky does get install these. Just gonna enable the protection. Very quick. Right click and scan for viruses. It's getting a lot. When I'm fighting against all these alerts. Hold on, let me bring calculator. Stupid thing. Adware. Finding all these. I remember this is only signatures. Kaspersky still has the fastest response time, which is less than 2 hours, and yeah, that not all signatures count. That's why whatever's left can get around it. It's doing pretty good. We are going for a very high percentage. I got 106. Come on, get 111. No way. No way. It's 100%. 112. Yeah, right. 113. Oh, that's a crazy program. Fine. Oh god. Phew. It's dealing with all those threads right now. Pissing me off. Okay. Let's see. We got some unprocessed objects. Deleting stuff. These are low-level security risks. That's why it's not fixing them automatically. And it wants my permission. I would click process all, but it would go ahead and boot my computer. Don't want that. Fix that. Okay, so we got 10 items left. Okay, that means we got 101. And that means it's 90.9%. But I'm going to reboot. Because first of all, the computer needs disinfection, and some of these might need also. I'm not sure, because I think it affects that and that. So what I'm gonna do is reboot, and then come back and run all these that are left. See what Process Explorer tells me about my system. Run scans, a lot more. So pause the video. Okay, I'm back. Machine is booting up. Come on, Windows 7. Okay, there we go. Something is attempting to open up a DLL. Yeah, which is weird. Yeah, you never open a DLL like that. You use a DLL, you most stupid program ever. But I'm wondering what's starting up with my system. Let me check MS config. Kaspersky still hasn't loaded. There we go, we're starting to load up Gatson's done. Webcam spotlight. I think it's legal, right? Oh, it has that parameter. Slash run. So, threats known. Let's close that. Let's rescan to make sure. So yeah, 10 items, 90.9%. So let's check our Process Explorer here. Nothing is there, which is pretty good. And now let's start running these. Just gonna side by side. Let's run that first one. It's here. I'm always waiting a bit for the system launcher of Kaspersky to kick in, because it takes it a bit of time. And I'm waiting for task administrator privileges, because you see that here. It tells me it needs administrator privileges. But anyways, I'm just gonna proceed with the other one. Oh, there we go. It doesn't have a digital signature, and it has a high danger rating as well. 100. Ooh. That's dangerous. Block. Thank you. So let's run that as well. And that Explorer window is not responding. Let's see what Kaspersky is gonna do about this. It's using almost all my CPU. I don't know what that is, so I'm just gonna click that button. Okay, whatever that is, it's something in ROSIM. It's probably a fake WinRAR. What's that red thingy? Oh, whatever. What this one? I don't know what I. It's probably something with SMS, really. Look at that. This is a scam, basically, an SMS scam. It's telling you to fill in your cell phone. That might be the same thing, really. I don't really count those, so remove them. the real way to test this out what would happen if I gave them a real cell phone number. What would the identity protection do? But not gonna risk it or anything like that. Yeah, it's the same thing. And they're not really, yeah, you can call them phishing programs, but still. Has high danger rating again. And no digital signature. Sorry. That fake video here. Similar to PDM Trojan generic, terminated, deleted, and wants me to disinfect with reboot. I'll go ahead and reboot later. Let's try that one. Detected another Trojan. I'll reboot later. Let's try that one. Same thing. Later, please. Let's try that one. Something is here launching, but this went away. Volunteer. Let's try vclean. And go terminated. Let's try that one. Oh, it stopped working. So pretty much I'll just let's see if it will work with administrator privileges. But Kaspersky detected it. That would be clean. He didn't really do anything. Let's try administrator. Don't see anything. That's from before, not sure what it is. So now I can delete the folder. To open another program. I'm wondering. Yep. Easiest solution ever. And what I'm going to do is go open up Kaspersky. Actually, first I'm going to reboot, and then I'm gonna run a critical area scan with Kaspersky Internet Security. So I'll be right back after the scan has been completed. Okay, I just wanted to show you here. I'll reboot the computer. We have no process running, no malicious process. And ignore that icon, the internet is fine. I don't know why it's displaying that icon, really. But my internet is fine. Thank God. I'm going to run a critical area scan. And I'll be right back. Okay, Kaspersky didn't find anything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove my temp files with CCleaner, and I'm going to run a scan with Malwarebytes and come back. Okay, Malwarebytes is having a problem updating. It's about the internet, but both Windows and Malwarebytes say don't have internet, but I have. How did I download Malwarebytes and CCleaner? Let's see what's going on here. Maybe it's something with my DNS being changed and that tricking it or something. Well, my internet is enabled. gonna disable and then enable the adapter. That might work. Malwarebytes is useless now without its updates. It's not gonna update. So I'm gonna use Hitman Pro. Let's see what that comes up with. Still, it won't. Malwarebytes is pretty much useless right now, unfortunately. I'm not sure if I can find its databases through the internet, so I can download them. But this isn't always sure that you'll get the latest. It's just how better scan with Hitman Pro and Norton Power Eraser. Yeah, it's a much better choice. And Hitman Pro has a pretty big detection ratio because it uses Prevax, Icarus, Data, and Soft and Dr. Web engines to scan for malware. Sorry. So it's now applying its little update. Okay. Okay. Let me see if anything is running in memory. That shouldn't be running. Well, I don't see anything running that shouldn't be running at all. Okay. Okay, so we're ready with Hitman Pro. Now, I just want to scan this computer. Okay. While this is scanning, I'm gonna download Norton Power Eraser because I want to do a scan with that as well. And since I didn't do with Malwarebytes. Download it and save it on the desktop. And it's very pity. Norton Power Eraser just picks up anything. It could speak MSN. Even it's very advanced. It just pushes to the maximum, but it makes a lot of false positives. That's why whenever you detect something with Norton Power Eraser, scan it using the Semantics servers online. Yep. Okay. Now Hitman Pro has found a file. in my app data, which is not such a big deal, but before I remove it with Hitman Pro, I'm gonna give Kaspersky a chance of detecting it. Fine. Gonna right click that and scan it for viruses. Now, information from Kaspersky Security Network, that's very, oh, let me clear that as well. That's very nice, tells you that less than 10 users use this application. After today, you're not very sure about it. So that just went by Kaspersky, right? Normally I wouldn't trust it with that amount of users in KSN, but some might say it came today. Now the path, its name all are weird, and you wouldn't trust it, but an average user might have. Now what you do in this case to block this with Kaspersky, what you can do very easily, open it up, go to your favorite application control, search for it, I'll just whatever. There we go, it's low restricted. It doesn't have much danger really for Kaspersky. Okay, well. But what you do is you move it to untrusted, click OK, OK, and now whenever you try to launch this, bam, it's blocked. So yeah, I'm gonna remove it anyway. Basically, when something is untrusted, like Kaspersky, let me see the group description. There we go. The untrusted group contains applications which are not digitally signed, not listed in the centralized database of known software, and which have very high value of the heuristically calculated threat rating. The operation of such applications on the user's computer is blocked entirely. As you can see, operating system, read, write, delete, create, all blocked. Everything is blocked. It can't do anything at all right now. And Hitman Pro removed it. And because I would like to do something with Malwarebytes, something has changed on Windows and it's giving that full support. Really, Kaspersky has tools, various tools that can be really useful. Meanwhile, let's launch the Power Racer. Quests. It's suggesting me some actions, but none of these are for the internet. Yeah, I see. Anyway, I don't know why it's doing that. So we have our Power Racer here. I'm worried that this video will go very long, so I'll pause and come back after Northern Power Racer is finished. Okay, I'm now rebooting to include rootkit scan, so I'll be right back after the results. I just want to show you that. So, hey, I just want to show you all scan with Malwarebytes as well, because after the reboot, showing the internet is fine, which is very weird, but anyway, I'm gonna come back with the results from Nord Power Racer and then from Malwarebytes. Okay guys, Northern Power Racer is stuck. Oh, finally it started scanning. Okay, gonna bring it back. Okay, Norton found that webcam spylight, which is, as I said, I'll call it potentially unwanted, not bad. Why isn't it letting me scan it online? It's not letting me scan it. I'm gonna fix it, but yeah, I wouldn't call it 100% bad. It's like that cold tape thingy. Eh, eh. Well, just say something about it. If it's your computer and you know it is, fine. If you're not aware of it, then it's bad. Oh, well, kind of no, basically. But I was aware that it installed. It was very obvious. So restart later. Basically, don't need to restart because it's just that. Up, please. Fine. I'll come back after a Malwarebytes scan and see. Okay, I'm back and Malwarebytes found nothing. With latest database, of course. Yep, it's my verdict on Kaspersky. Come on. Come on, stupid thing. Oh, it's very good. It's very, very nice. It's not heavy in the computer, really. Here, let me show you. Previous versions were using a ton of CPU. But this one is using currently one here and half here and one here, 1.5% of the processor, which is an Intel Core 2 but only of 2.33 gigahertz, but only one core is available to the VM. So it's using around 23 and 427 megs of RAM. On previous versions, the RAM usage was a bit better, but it's still fairly low for a security suite. The computer doesn't feel any slower at all. Only the browsing might be a bit slower, but still not noticeable. They have this little gadget here to make things easy. The cloud protection works very well. It has been a major improvement since 2011. Also from 2011 also got perfect in my test. It wasn't that good, but this one is very, very good. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say. The only thing I don't like is the scan speeds, or it's not fast at all. But what you can do is go to your scan settings and choose, for example, full scan, customize it. Scan like yeah, full scan by extension, and you can just don't scan these and don't use heuristics and disable all that, and it will be a lot faster. But the best settings for scanning that I would recommend doing, especially for the full scan, you should do those at the full scan. At the critical areas scan, I would recommend. Yep. There we go. Do that. At the custom scan, just like the full scan, you want everything. And yeah. Kaspersky Secure Network is very good, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. This video is smaller than the previous one. I'm not sure if I'll be able to upload it easily. Bye for now, guys.